What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Another day, another vlog. We are back in the F30. I actually woke up this morning, came out and started the car, heard some hissing coming from the air suspension. So you know what that means, there's a leak somewhere. Fortunately, it's probably the best place for a leak. The air's coming out on my fill up drain valve. So it's actually kind of doing what it's supposed to be doing. I have the seats folded down so that way the air can get to the back of the tank and hopefully heat it up. Then I'll be able to drain the tank of any water and we should be good to go. I do have a new mod and I'm super excited because UPS brought it in the morning and usually they don't show up until the end of the day, so I wasn't even planning on doing it, but today we get to mod the F30. I've got my drain valve, which also has this pressure release valve, so if the tank ever gets too full, then it will automatically release, which is good. But there was some hissing coming out of there, so I'm going to see if I can try and get this water out. So just kind of press down on this little tab in here, like a bike fill-up valve, and the water should come out. Wipe that off. Should be all good now. I'm gonna do that a couple more times today and just make sure we have everything out of that tank and there's no moisture in it, so we should be good. I'm actually on my way now to go get a haircut because this is way too long. I'm gonna go over to my buddy's shop. He's actually a subscriber, a good friend of mine who is also into cars. What better way to support your friends than through their businesses? So I'm gonna go over there, get a fresh haircut, and then we will get started on the F30 mods. Oh, I love it. Never gets old, man. We've actually come quite a long ways in this channel, just in the last year, and I'm not talking subscriber count necessarily. I mean, yes, it's increased, and that is awesome, and you guys are all to thank for it. I wanted to talk about, like, where I started and where I'm at now, and I think I have a much better handle on just vlogging style and what I want out of the channel. I think that's hopefully starting to reflect in the content that I'm putting out for you guys. I know I said this before, but thank you guys so much for watching. It does mean the world to me, and it's such a good feeling doing what I want to do in this life and having support from other people, inspiring other people. I can't think of anything better, and I just want to take a second to thank you guys for that. This channel is going to blow up, I know it. It's just a matter of time, so the quality of the content will never change, I promise you. No matter how big or small this channel is, it's always going to be good quality content. I'm always going to put my best foot forward. I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for riding with me on this journey so far, and I'm excited for you guys to come along this season. It's going to be so sick, so if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that button. Let's go get this haircut real quick because I digress, you know? Feeling so much cleaner now. Woo! What a good way to start out your week, you know what I'm saying? Time to go home, get this thing installed, but I think I'm gonna stop and get a burrito first because I'm addicted to burritos. Low key. And then we're gonna go home and install this part. So I will see you guys there. Just made it back home. Let's see what's in this little bag here. I think you guys are gonna like it. Definitely useful for you base model guys that are looking to do some interior upgrades. So what do we get? Woo! Yeah, boy. These are pedal covers for your pedals. Mine are black, as you can see. Really easy install. If you guys follow Thick F30, he did the same install actually like just a couple days ago. I was like, damn dude, I already ordered mine. I'm just waiting for them to come in. Had a good laugh there, but head over to his channel. He's got a lot of good F30 content, Thick_F30, but I'll put him at the end of this video and you guys can check out his channel too. I'm gonna go ahead and get these installed. Like I said, pretty straightforward. I know 2 of them are just like you literally clamp them on, and then the biggest one I believe has some 3M tape, so I'm gonna do this while the car still warms, that way the tape adheres real nice and we should be good. So let's get this install underway. Pretty dope. So this is what the metal actually looks like. I mean, it's really nice stainless, and then these ones have little covers on them which will peel off after we install. Oh yeah, these gotta go. I mean, ignore the salt, but like these gotta go. I'm gonna start by just taking out the mat here. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can clean this one up, make sure we got a nice clean surface to adhere to, and then I believe these just pull like right off. I never even realized how easy this was. Boom. All right, that's one. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, this is not going anywhere. The gas pedal one is probably just gonna slide right over the OEM. Let's start with the easiest and get this one installed. So that should just clip on like that. I think the easiest way would be start from the bottom. So what I'm doing is just like pulling. I've got almost all the bottom and side attached, and I'm just slowly pulling the rubber over it. All right, brake is done. Just spray this one down. I never realized that these base model pedals are pretty jank. Not gonna lie, BMW, what are you doing? This gas pedal is just like super plastic. That's pretty jank, but on to bigger and better things. Should be the same. I'm gonna start by slipping it over the top though. Done. Super easy. And lastly, we just gotta clean up this here and make sure that we give it a good surface for the tape to stick to. I'm assuming we just need to peel off this tape, this backing here. That should fit just like that. Done. That was super easy. Now let's just take off this here, and then you can see the final result. I get so much satisfaction out of peeling this type of stuff off. I don't know about you guys. Damn, what a solid upgrade. I think I was actually expecting this to take a little bit longer than it did, but that was super easy. 30 bucks on Amazon, not even. I think it was like 25 bucks on Amazon, probably 5 minutes of your time. I wish I had done this a long time ago. This looks really good. Don't mind my dirty carpets. I gotta do some detailing, but that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for today. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video if it helped you out, or if you wanna do something like that to your mod. If you have any other interior mod suggestions, comment down below. As always, thank you guys for subscribing and watching. We are on the road to 1,000. We'll be there soon, and I appreciate each and every one of you for watching my videos. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.